This will be an unboxing of the Xiaomi Pocophone F1. Now this device is probably the best priced budget phone, if you will, with reasonable specs. This one has the Snapdragon 845, 6 gigs of RAM on this model for a very good price. Let's go ahead and just cut open the plastic here. Rip the plastic off. And let's see what we're dealing with. Pocophone F1. Take this off. And we're greeted with this yellow sleeve right here. Yellow pamphlet. What's in here? Oh, we get a case. Now every manufacturer should do this. Samsung, Apple, everybody should include, at the very least, a simple TPU case with their phone, protect their brand new device. Put that to the side, and here we have some pamphlets and stuff. That to the side, put that to the side, and this is the device. Pocophone F1, so you can see, 845 and a 4000 mAh battery. Nice. So let me see. I'll take this off. Yeah, we don't need this. And let's see, back here, take this off. Protective cover here on the camera lens. You don't see that too often. Take that off. Okay, put this to the side. Here's the phone. Nice metallic sheen on the back. Pocophone branding on the bottom, so you can see right there. Dual camera setup, fingerprint scanner, the flash. Turn this on right now. Pocophone by Xiaomi. Up front, you do have a notch, which I don't really know how I feel about that, but at the price of this handset, I am not gonna trip. On the bottom, you have your USB Type-C. Speaker grills, it's not two speakers down here. You have your volume rocker and power right here. And over here you have your SIM slot. And on top, headphone jack. That's very nice to see. Microphone. And I think that's it. Choose language, English, United States. Phone making noises, which is good. Let's see, let's choose, scroll down. Now, can I adjust the brightness right now so you can see on camera? I'll adjust that when I get to it. Connect to network. See if I can find mine. There it is. Type in my password real quick. Terms and conditions. Okay, I have to agree to that. Next. Checking for SIM card. Don't have one. We'll just skip this. Just a sec. Checking for updates, may take a minute or two. Setup as new, get a fresh start on this. Skip the sign in for now, just want to get into the phone, skip all of this. Say no to that one, I agree. Adding finishing touches, Mi Cloud. Okay, I'm gonna allow that, allow. Sync, don't use Mi Cloud for now. Skip all this account stuff, set password. Let's do the fingerprint right now. And I'll do a pattern. Okay, whatever. Okay, we'll just do this for now. And confirm. Add your fingerprint. Okay, now I hope you guys can see this, all right? Here's the fingerprint scanner in the back, and let's check it out right now. I'm gonna tap it. Added successfully. So, not too bad. Nice, okay. Additional settings, okay. Choose a theme, Poco, default, limitless. I'm gonna choose the first one. Setup complete, you are ready to rock. Loading apps. Should take a second or two. Get started. Allow access to internal storage. Sure, I'll allow that. Allow Poco Launcher. And we are in. Let's go to About Phone. And let's see, what Android does this come with? Android version 8.1 with a June 1st security update. So let's go ahead and check system update right now. And there is an update available, as you can see, but I'll update it later. Just want to check out the phone right now. Now let me see if I can adjust the brightness real quick so you guys can see a little bit better. Hopefully that's better. So this one has the Snapdragon 845, 6 gigs of RAM for a nice and affordable price. And first impressions here, I gotta say the fit and finish of this phone right now, just the first impressions, it doesn't feel cheap at all actually, to be honest, for a mid $300 phone. And then just to check out the rest of the box, you do have your power brick and your USB cable, SIM ejector tool down there. And let's go ahead and check out the case real fast. Just a simple TPU case. Let's slap it on. Adds a good amount of grip to the phone actually. Nice. Flip it over. You can still see the Pocophone branding. Let me know in the comments what you want me to do with this phone. Speed tests, durability tests, camera tests, etc. Versus iPhone 10, Galaxy Note 9, S9 Plus, OnePlus 6, Sony XZ2 Premium, etc. The Xiaomi Pocophone F1. Glad to have it in my hands. Thanks for watching. Peace out.